Okay, so again, we're here and we're going to be demonstrating how you should be doing these kicks. And again, this one is a toe kick, and we're going to actually do a 4 count on this toe kick. Make sure that you're actually doing these toe kicks like you're going to actually kick somebody, okay? So when you're going to watch this, watch the 4 count on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're doing these kicks, and actually hold the leg out is going to make your leg stronger, okay? So go ahead and get in a fighting stance. And when I call out 1, you'll notice he'll lift the leg. 1. This is the 1 position. 2, you kick out, and you notice the toe is pointed down and he's holding the leg out, and you kick with the laces. 3, you chamber back, and 4, you either step forward or back. I will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now this one, actually do it like you're being more aggressive, like you're actually gonna kick somebody. And this one, he's just gonna do a 1, 2, 3, 4 count, but he's gonna do it at his own pace, and he's gonna be like he's gonna kick someone in the groin. Ready? Go. And go. Good. All right, now come back, and this one he's gonna do a heel kick. Again, with our heel kicks, you're going to do a 4 count. 1. This time you'll notice the toe is pointed straight out. And he's going to kick with the heel. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, make aggressive. A 1, 2, 3, 4 count. You just do it on your own. Ready? Go. And go.